Hi everyone, welcome to Road Breakdown, our channel where we gather real-life footage from the roads and highlight the importance of obeying traffic rules. Enjoy watching. When starting to move in areas with heavy traffic, the driver must visually check the blind spots and ensure the maneuver is safe.
I think we drill them with that and then put the shit. Oh, fucking hell.
Oh, I've got dash cam too.
That was a massive smash.
Dash.
Yeah.
Let me call 000.
So, all right, mate, I'll just get off the phone, but the stuff's in the factory. So, yeah, we're all right, but someone's
We
not.
are fine, just...
You have dialed emergency 000.
Right.
Are they out?
Your call is being connected.
Go out.
What factors could have influenced the driver's decision to make a maneuver that led to a collision with a truck? When you turn on your indicator, make sure other drivers are actually yielding to you. It's also worth noting that the driver made an illegal U-turn. What do you think caused the accident? The uneven road or the driver's sudden maneuver?
And then just social work stuff, just kind of about parenting. Oceanic.
Only about 11,000 of us left. Oh no!
Already has a very substantial $1 billion. You're right that there has been speculation.
Tak sarankan pakai yang straight tu. Ya Allah subhanallah.
Allah Akbar, sini nak?
Cepat ni. Oh, bukan. Maybe.
Kita hijau kan?
Hijau.
Pedestrians on the roadway were noticed by the driver only at the last moment. Being a driver is not just about turning the steering wheel, it's about being able to anticipate the actions of all road users.
And I think it came through in a game like this, and it ended up being a sort of, tactically a game that sort of suited them, because one of their remaining strengths is playing.
Two old cars.
Even if traffic rules allow a right turn on red, always check the maneuver's safety. Yield to pedestrians and make sure there's no oncoming traffic. Drivers must exercise increased attentiveness. A sudden obstacle on the roadway may cause a traffic accident. This video is just one of many examples of why it's so important to follow traffic rules. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the clip together. We can make the roads safer. See you next time.